Hey guys, welcome to Nails by Niche. So in today's video, I'm doing something a little different. I want to show you my analytics from beginning of November to beginning of December, which is a period of time where I posted 24 videos in 24 days. And I want to show you what happened to my channels across Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. I posted the same video with different music in the background, so obviously that could have an effect. But overall, I just want to show you guys what happened. So let's first start with YouTube. So you can see right here, 179 new subscribers, and it shows a 28-day window, which is the time period that I was posting. And you can see obviously some days I gained more than others, but overall this was my best platform. I gained the most followers or subscribers on this channel, and you can see it says my channel got 101,000 views in the last 28 days. Which is pretty great. So right here, let's look at the next one. So this is my Instagram analytics. It shows what total followers I have, which is 1,264 at the time that I took this screenshot. It's now grown ever so minusculely, but overall 81 new followers. I lost 28, gained 109, overall 81. Honestly, not terrible for Instagram and how my growth has been. I've been stuck around this number for over a year. So it's nice to see that I got somewhere. Now, Instagram also does something kind of weird. They just say accounts reached, but I would have to say this goes with views because of how many, like the bars are like views per day. So one video got almost 40,000 views and another was just slightly below that, but in total it says 92,000 views. So if you compare that to how many followers I got just like with YouTube, you can kind of see that like I reached about the same amount of people, but I gained half the amount of followers on Instagram. And let's save the worst for last. We've got TikTok, where I only gained 175 followers and I only got 6,955 views because each video only got about 200 per day. It seems like TikTok was just pushing my content out to the same 200 people, which is totally fine. It's probably all the people who follow me anyway, but I did gain quite a few followers in comparison. If you look at that ratio of how many views versus the other two platforms, it's pretty crazy. It's pretty good growth too. All right, that's my little report. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please comment down below. Please like and subscribe and follow for more. I'll see you in the next one.